The mountains are completely covered with snow today.
Dad, are we really cooking here?
Yes, good food tastes better in nature.
It's so cold. My hands are freezing.
Wait until the grill gets hot.
Wow, the salmon looks fresh.
Now add the orange slices carefully,
Why are we using honey on the fish?
because sweet and smoky flavors taste amazing together.
Oh, I get it. The smell already feels delicious.
Now the bread goes inside the grill.
Dad, the steam looks beautiful in the cold air.
Simple moments become special when the heart feels peaceful.
I think eating outside feels different.
Nature makes people slow down and feel thankful.
This picnic already feels better than a restaurant.
Not every happy moment needs expensive things.
Just warm food, snow, and family time. It feels warmer inside the camp now.
Yes, the fire makes this place peaceful.
Mom, the snow outside looks beautiful from here. Winter feels special when the family stays together.
Come closer, your hands are still cold.
The smell of fresh bread is everywhere. And the soup is finally getting ready.
Simple food tastes better after a long cold day.
I like camping with both of you. These quiet moments become beautiful memories.
Outside there is snow and cold weather, but inside this camp there is warmth and love.
I love it here. Dad, can we stay here a little longer? Of course, tonight is about family time.
Sometimes happiness is very simple.
Good food, warm fire, and thankful hearts.
I don't even miss the city right now.
Nature helps people feel calm again.
And we should always thank Allah for peaceful moments like this.
Would you like to spend a snowy night in a warm camp with your family? Tell us in the comments.
The snow is getting heavier outside.
Before dinner, let me warm the tea again. Dad, I think it will be Maghrib time soon.
You're right, son.
We'll pray together.
Can you bring the prayer mats from the corner?
Okay, Dad, I will bring them right now.
I will prepare the soup while you both get ready for prayer.
I'm going outside to check the snow near the firewood.
Dad, wait for me. I want to come too. Wear your jackets properly. It is freezing outside. Wow, the snow reached the tent door already.
Winter camping teaches people patience and strength.
And it also makes hot food taste better.
Come inside quickly, the soup is ready now.
Your mother always makes the camp feel warm.
The smell of fresh bread is everywhere again. Let's enjoy it together. Yay, thank you.
After eating, we will pray together inside the camp.
I like praying when everything outside feels quiet. The sound of the wind feels calming tonight.
Mom, can I place the lantern near the prayer mats? Yes, that soft light looks beautiful there.
Small things can make simple moments special.
The fire is getting lower. I will add more wood.
I will help you this time, Dad. Be careful. The floor near the heater is warm.
Good job, son.
It's so warm now. Perfect.
Tomorrow morning we can cook breakfast outside in the snow.
Really? Then I will wake up early. Would you enjoy winter camping with your family? Tell us in the comments.